forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's madness. So guys, that is like my good girl just done clean her, some good girl just done bathe and smell cool. But guess what guys, today I'm a nasty best friend birthday, yes? Happy birthday, nasty girl, dirty girl, Crystal. So Crystal, come up here now, you know, guys. For me do I make up in a good girl. People talk truth. Tell a girl, say, girl, I can't do makeup on people, you know. And the girl gonna put me under pressure for the makeup and I talk truth. Yeah, the girl gonna put me under pressure right now. But girl, I gonna transform you. I gonna transform my people. So I gonna show you when she pull up and so. And show her are ugly. And then, boop. One time I turn her in a Cinderella. If you're new, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. That's the bell beside the subscribe button, yes. I select all. Yeah, guys, and what else? Want to subscribe to my couple channel, Abbi and Kepa JA. That me and people man depend that. So which my soul left. My soul left him because he must stress me right out. But still going to subscribe and watch us. Yeah guys, being a black good girl in a black good girl in a black and black make good girl look slim. I'm a love way black. I'm gonna ask Christ, I love way black. Yeah guys, so I'm just sit down and wait for good girl to come. That's me can transform her in a Cinderella. So stay tuned. Oh, coronavirus!
I mean if you know first.
Hi!
I mean make you know her. What, you good?
Yeah. Hello, I'm telling you this. Me I look for you. Your channel on YouTube, yeah? Chef Robertson. Yeah. Some people, you know, good girl. I go walk in a room now for say, my makeover. So come good. Hey, just stay well look, oh,
In your white house, I look nice.
Answer.
I like it. I really like it. No, I'm jealous. Big on my thing, yeah, big on my nose. Oh, weird.
What's up, people? Some people, when you saw the girl take up, well, come on the yard, she want to make up and so. Look what the girl make me figure her face. But I say I not figure her face because I must transform her in a Cinderella. So yeah. I got this. That's that. Yeah.
I be shy.
Yeah, the before. Yeah, guys, this before. Spin dirty girl. Then I say, yeah. Yeah. Stop to palm, Crystal.
Okay, now. Yes, I can.
Moi ela quer aí. Andou no palmo, não tá. So good girl with the line. Bottom line. Not the line, so put tall. Hold on there. Alright guys, yeah, so you know I have to put down good girl lower. Cause girl too high. So people, when I saw the last day, yeah, the eyebrow them, I'm not really steady right away. Yeah. So we highlight the eyebrow and so now. Oh, remember we been telling you, dip it like so. Blow. So now we're gonna use the violet bus. What is bus? Launch. And you know, I just said start from the corner. Oh yeah, well, let me see this piece of the frame. Bring it over. Guys, I don't can see the background. Shade put on. Remember me tell about the background? No, remember me tell you. What the brush just set it better, guys. Look how the brush set it better. So use the brush, guys. It's a brush. So guys, right now I'm gonna use by the palette and go in with Bitty now. A Bitty? big tip on her eyelids, so. You know. Alright, people say, you know, good girl, just done her ass. So, we don't have some ugly face also. So, guys, look on the Cinderella in 3, 2, 1. Cinderella show. Black flag, Cinderella. Cinderella. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so she can put her clothes now. You can put her clothes now, though.
I'm not taking more.
I feel like I'm gonna put her clothes. I'm take 2 cars the road with her. Yeah, go and put her clothes, girl.
We'll be back.
You look good. Look at the camera.
Goodness. Oh
So,
my
guys.
goodness. Big up to Abbi Attas.
Yeah,
People.
yeah.
Can't book her. Joke.
No, don't book me. Yeah.
Not talk truth. Talk truth. Look how look nice.
Yeah, girl. Yeah. Girl face coming right out.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I first may beat my face like this. Like this is my first time when I look and say no man. But at first, it's my first time wearing lashes and boy might stand on the throat my look good. Tell me if you not fit me look by them. Tell me if the girl not fix me up nice. Yeah, people. I should go on like to Shanana use. Speak up a nice clean self.
Yeah, so guys, this is the final look. Look on good girl. Transformation. Tell me some good girl and make good girl transform in Cinderella.
Big up Abbi Attas.
Yeah.
Take a look, people. Take a look.
Yeah. Bombard girl Attas. So people tell you. Yeah. Transform good girl. Look at makeup. Look at hair. Look at clothes. Look at shoes. Everything. Good girl. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Abbi Attas can fix people. As much as my mad, good girl can fix people, yeah. Yeah, exactly what you're perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But you finally open it and know what it is. You tell me, right?
Abbi and careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
People talk truth. Talk truth if good girl no sit down on the girl face. Talk truth. I know that sound wild, but Lord Jesus, girl. I transform the girl. I not say I transform good girl. I'm proud of myself because I now want to for the paper face, you know. But I not do nobody face no more. I can't do it because I'm so nervous. What's our birthday? Anyways, guys, if you enjoy the transformation, I'm going to transform the girl in our Cinderella. We'll make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, good girl transform her. Look at some of the picture of them. Transform her, yeah, guys. What I know, maybe I just might get somebody when I don't know I watch now and subscribe. But I know I really love Abbi's madness, you know, and come and transform and give go now makeover and so just set up the makeup, you know, makeup and so yeah, guys, yeah, go now makeup look. Bye.